Hi, this is Dan with Permagreen, and I wanted to put together a short video explaining important components on the Permagreen Triumph that helps regulate the spray pressure and spray rate and width of the machine. And that component is the unloader valve. And if we take a look here, underneath the engine plate, this is the unloader valve. It has the 20 psi cap on it. There's a diaphragm that's underneath it as well. Now, this is going to ensure that the machine is spraying at 11 feet wide from left drip to right drip. It's also going to make sure that the machine is spraying at the quart per thousand or 32 ounce per thousand rate. Now, if your spray on your machine seems to be weak, or if you don't feel like you're getting the right volume, and you've already checked the strainers underneath or above the nozzles or inside the tank, or it doesn't seem to be clogged or anything along those lines, you want to check that unloader valve. So if we unscrew this cap here, take this off, you'll see there's the diaphragm inside there, right there. So first thing to check with the diaphragm, is it warped, is it torn, is it missing? If it is, that's gonna, affect your spray rate, your pressure there. So that will need to be replaced. Another thing is that, sometimes debris can get caught in that unloader valve. So an easy way of kind of clearing that out is if you keep this open, keep this cap off, and just fire up the machine, leave it neutral, pull the throttle, and let some liquid flow out of there. A lot of times that'll clear off any debris, and you should be good to go there. So again, if you are having issues with the spray rate, or you feel like you're not getting the right pressure, make sure to check that pressure relief valve, that unloader valve. That and the pump are going to be the two main components when it comes to the pressure, or regulating the pressure on the machine. So I hope that helps. If you have any additional questions, feel free to call Permagreen at 1-800-346-2001.